फ्रेंड्स कुछ ज़्यादा नहीं हो गया इतने हे फ्रेंड्स ओके लेट इट बी I am uploading it late because I was indulging too much in my study thing and I didn't get a time for this editing and whole things because I was busy in completed my study goals and targets, so I was indulging in that. That's why I didn't get time for it. That's why I'm posting late for March 1 and March 2 vlog. Yeah, here's no timer, so you can't understand that every minute is showing of 2 hour or more hours in the vlog. So it's for you guys that I'm showing something small, but no, it's a long whole day duration is divided in minutes section. So you should understand that, and I will try that next time. Watch will around the vlog. So sorry for today. Sorry for today. Oh my god. I think I'm perfectly imperfect because I never do anything with so much perfection. I just come with the raw thoughts, raw activity. I because I know if I indulge in too much perfection, then it is lot of time taking, and this is not my priority goal. The editing and all. Yeah, I'm doing this because during the studies. When you set a very big goal for yourself, you can't get time for socialization, because really this exam, who are the aspirant of UPSC civil service exam of India, they know that this exam has huge syllabus and lot to do things and lot of competition. With syllabus there is lot of competition, and for getting selected you have to do your best. So I can't able to get time for socializing, so I feel isolated in my room. So I start doing this, that somewhere I will not feel lonely or isolated or said that, oh, what is my life is going on. So that's why I add this thing, that I can study as well as I will not feel alone. So yeah, these things are working, that I have a daily goals. I'm feeling that I'm interacting with people, I'm socializing, I'm around the people, I'm not sitting alone in my room. So these things are working, and we have to deal with our things, our problems with our solution to deal with them. So my solution is this: don't follow someone blindly, because I find many people around me who sometimes follow someone's blindly. Anytime people follow me blindly, which is not needed, because I know I always looking towards my thoughts, my activity in my life, and I do things according to that. Whether it's my aims for my career whatever, uh, for my future, for my present, I just dig the things around me, whether it's my society, whether it's my financial condition, whether it's my family condition. Each and everything I think, and I set my goals accordingly, because you can't be totally rebel or away from your circumstances. You are product of your circumstances, so you have to think accordingly by observing each and everything, which is all your condition according to different section, whether it's financial, social, whatever. It affects your life, and you have to set your goals or your targets accordingly. So this thing is I think that, yeah, I'm inside the room and I have whole things which can help me to do this, and I can manage the time. That's why I'm doing that. And for many things, like about career also, I think totally that, okay, my social condition, financial condition will help me to achieve this target, or it is worth doing. So I find that yeah, I can do this goal, and I can work on it, and I can change if I find that it's not working, and I should looking towards something else. So guys, my suggestion for this whole things is that you should thoughtful, don't follow blindly people's, um, because following people blindly will not good idea, because uh, every person have different kind of circumstances, and you should be thoughtful to it. uh, and you should think that the things which working for other, that doesn't mean it work for you. um, and always observe yourself, your strength, your weakness, your social condition, and all the things which is affect your life. You should um, focus on that also. And I do mostly think according to that, and I work according to that. I'm not going for any kind of perfection. I'm not going for blindly follow people, and perfection is not my thing. Of course, too much raw and imperfection is not good, but I know that if something is not my priority goal, then I don't need to invest too much time on that thing. Even other feel that what stupidity she is doing, they are thinking na, that that is not my problem na, actually, because I know that this is not my priority goal. Other someone's goal is the thing which I'm doing with imperfection, my third fourth priority. Someone's that thing is their priority. They investing lot of time and do too much to for that goal, because they find that this is their priority, that is their goal, and that is why they want to do lot of time and perfection in that field. But that is not my priority, so that's why I'm not investing too much time. But people keep judging, and thank god I'm not bothering about people's judgment. But for my people, I have a explanation that why I do something uh, in such a raw manner. I can invest more time and perfection, but guys, according to me right now, I don't want to indulge in these things too much. And with perfection, I think imperfection is way better than perfection, because it's really show who you are, right? And you are not going for society criteria that you should put yourself in a box. You are feel free to do according to you, that what is good for you. You not need to fix in a box to the society criteria. You can't create something new and your own thing without fitting in a box. And you can be a creative being if you don't want to fit in a box. So be free, do things according to your own self, and don't need to go for fit in a box, because every